With reference premier speakers from Klipsch, seat-shaking, cinema-like sound is all yours. How? Let's start with some basics. A 5.1 setup is the most common home theater speaker configuration. 5.1 stands for 5 full-range speakers, plus a subwoofer to handle the low frequencies. The speakers are arranged in the room to put you in the middle of the action. As you watch a movie, the sounds move from speaker to speaker, following any movement on the screen. Putting the right speakers in the right places is important. That's the key to a powerful, accurate home theater setup. Simply put, if a sound is supposed to occur beside or behind you, it doesn't sound realistic if it comes from the front. Same for dialogue. If it comes from behind you when you watch the screen, that just doesn't make sense. For optimal results, place the center speaker with the TV. Now you're localizing all of the critical movie dialogue to the screen, where it belongs. Then place the surround speakers to your sides or just behind you. Make sure that the left speakers are on your left and the right speakers are on your right, as viewed from your favorite spot. You can place a subwoofer almost anywhere in the room, but ideally, it should be placed in a corner or against a wall to maximize its output. Experiment with different locations to find the sound you prefer. Of course, there are more configurations beyond 5.1 that take the home cinema experience even further. Adding additional subwoofers, rear surrounds, or even Dolby Atmos-enabled speakers can bring new dimensions to your movie watching enjoyment. From small, premium listening spaces to large media rooms, with over 1,000 system combinations, there's a reference premier solution for any format. For big home theater sound that's as elegant as it is powerful, explore the entire line of Klipsch reference premier speakers today. Klipsch, keepers of the sound.
Introducing Roku Streambar Pro. Cinematic sound and powerful 4K streaming, all in one. Hear every detail with Dolby Audio as the premium drivers boost volume and clarity, and listen in awe as virtual surround fills your room with sound. Upgrade any TV with America's #1 TV streaming platform, and enjoy a customizable home screen with your favorite channels front and center. Watch what you love in brilliant picture quality, and stream your favorite music in studio quality sound. Use the voice remote to control your TV, streaming, and sound. Plus, set personal shortcuts for one-touch control. There's even a lost remote finder. Setup is a cinch with everything you need in the box. And you can easily expand for even bigger sound. Roku Streambar Pro. It's the ultimate 2-in-1 entertainment upgrade. Happy streaming!
The Sonos home sound system fills every room of your home with incredible sound. Our Wi-Fi connected speakers let you listen to anything, in any room or every room. All through a single app that controls your entire home listening experience and brings all your music together in one place. You can even tune into your favorite radio station right from the app. To get started, plug in a speaker and connect to Wi-Fi. The app walks you through the rest and acts as a controller for your whole system. You can stream different songs to speakers in different rooms, group a few rooms to play the same song in sync, or play one song throughout your entire home. No matter what you're looking for, Sonos has a speaker for you. With Play One, you can enjoy big sound from a compact speaker. Pair two in one room for stereo sound, or put them in different rooms to cover more ground. The versatile Play 3 offers high performance, more bass, and rich stereo sound in a single speaker. For rooms where music matters most, Play 5 delivers a big sound that's more clear and detailed than anything you've heard before. Mount Playbar on the wall or lay it down flat to unleash your TV sound and all the music you love. Or choose the super thin, surprisingly powerful Playbase. Perfect for unmounted TVs, it blends into your living room. Sub gives you deep, pure bass. And when you put Playbar and Sub in the same room, you get amazing 3.1 home theater. Then add two Play Ones to complete the ultimate 5.1 surround sound system. Let your vinyl collection loose with Connect. Hook it up to your analog equipment and it can do anything your Sonos speakers can do. Get a Connect amp to stream music to any wired speaker you already have. Sonos plays over your home Wi-Fi network, not your phone, so you get rock-solid wireless performance without dropouts or interruptions from phone calls, texts, or push notifications. All Sonos speakers work together, making it easy to build the system you want. Bring everything you listen to, your music library, streaming services, movies, vinyl, and more, together in one place. Because listening to music out loud makes life better. Sonos, the home sound system.
Play some music.